Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can access your TikTok watch history. So if you want to find the video that you have watched on TikTok, you want to see or you want to walk down on your memory lane, this is what you need to do. First, you can open your TikTok apps and then you can go to your profile. Then click on the three lines icon at the top right corner and go to the settings and privacy. So in here, you can just scroll down and under the content and display, hit on the activity center. So this is my activity center, and in here at the top, there will be watch history. So if you tap on that, you'll see your watch history or the videos that you have watched on TikTok, and you can also filter it by date. If you want to, you can, for example, I want to see a certain date range. You want to customize it, just click on that range in here. For example, I want to find from July 15 until today's, or until the end of the July, just like this. You can click on confirm, click on apply, and your watch history will be filtered by the date that you choose. You can also select a certain videos, and if you want to remove it from your watch history, you can just click on delete. So just like that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.